Okay, now let's proceed sa number 2. So we have if x squared minus 3x plus 2k is divided by x plus 2, ang makukuha nating remainder is 7. Right? So what is the value of k? So here, we're going to use, again, the remainder theorem. So our given is the p of x is equal to x squared minus 3x plus 2k. Okay? So, i-divide natin yan ng x plus 2. So, if we're going to divide this and we're going to use the remainder theorem, kailangan muna natin mahanap yung value ng x. Then, transpose, we have negative 2. So, x is negative 2. So, dito nyan, isa-substitute natin yung x ng negative 2 para lang mahanap natin yung value ng k. So, p of negative 2 is negative 2 squared minus 3 times negative 2 plus 2k. K, wala pa tayong value for that kasi sinosolve natin. Ngayon, sabi dito, the remainder is 7. So, that means, itong p of negative 2, natatanda yun sa remainder theorem. Balikan natin yung remainder theorem. Ayan. If a polynomial function p of x is divided by x minus c, then the remainder is equal to p of c. So, p of c is the remainder. Right? So, kung ano yung nakuha mo dito na p of 4 ay 0. So, that means yung p of 4 natin ay equal to 0. Okay? I hope na nakuha yung point ko doon. So, balik tayo dun sa kanina. So, dito, sabi dyan, if x squared minus 3x plus 2k is divided by x plus 2 or x minus 2, depende yon. So, x plus 2 is the binomial, that's the divisor. Ang makukuha nating remainder is 7. So, yung p of c natin or p of negative 2 natin is the remainder. And p of negative 2 is what? Is 7. Okay, so isa-substitute natin si p of negative 2 ng 7. So, equals negative 2 squared is 4. Negative 3 times negative 2 is positive 6 plus 2k. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin, magkakaroon tayo ng equation dyan. So, we have 7 is equal to 10 plus 2k. So, transpose lang natin yon. 7 minus 10 is equal to 2k. So, we have negative 3 is equal to 2k. So, divide both sides by 2. And the value of k is negative 3 over 2. Yan. So, magkakaroon ka lang ng remainder na 7 when the value of k is, so this is x, plus 2, ang k natin will be negative 3 over 2. Okay? So, yung magiging original equation natin yan, or yung equation natin will be negative 3. Yan. Pero ang k, ang hinahanap natin dyan, yung value ng k. So, the answer there is negative 3 over 2. Okay? That's it for number 2.